All right. Okay, today I'm going to do. Here we go. It's better. Never know where to look at this, so take these off. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So my first unboxing. So here we go. Let's see what I got here. I already started cracking it open. I'm really excited about this. It's my garlic. Yeah. So, but I don't think you care about that. Unless you like garlic. I got. See, last year I planted my garlic and I wasn't. I took pictures of where they were, but I didn't put labels on it. And then I never went back and looked. So when I harvested, I wasn't sure which garlic was which. So this year, I will put labels on it. And so when I harvest, I will know what garlic's which. I got, let's see, some Georgian Fire, Shandong, Brown Tempest, Ojo Rojo, Creole Red, German Red, and Metechi. So I have a bunch of garlic. So I will have a very large garlic harvest next spring. I'm super excited. And then I saved some of the garlic I planted from last year, even though I'm not sure what it was. I saved some of the bigger garlic, and then I didn't get any elephant garlic. But I have some little seeds that were grown on it. I'm gonna plant those and see if they grow. And so I may have some elephant garlic too. I have one. I may grow that. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, this is the other one that I'm super excited about. It is my crown jewel. See if you can see that in focus there. It's my Costa Rica that I will be roasting on Saturday. Let's see here. I can make this. Oh, I'm doing the wrong. There we go. Yeah. I need a new camera holder. This one won't hold it. My phone holder, my camera was making funny noises, so I think I need a new lens. But anyway, here we go. I'll just do it back here. So I will be roasting this coffee on Saturday. This is the black honey I got from Royal Coffee. And so it comes in a box like this, 22 pounds. Cool box, I love that. Look at that. I love that look. And 22 pounds of green. It's the from Royal Coffee. They call it the Crown Royal. The La Esperanza de Terzu from the Familia Monge. Black honey. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it smells good. It smells good. I don't know what harvest this was. The most recent harvest. So I just found out I was trying to do a YouTube live video of this, and I was going to do this live, but apparently you have to have 1,000 followers on YouTube in order to do. And seeing as I only have like about 40 followers, there you go. So the green coffee here. The light is crappy in this room, so I can't really see it. Yeah, so Looks like a honey coffee. All right, so Saturday. Maybe I guess on Facebook I can do a live video. I'll record it also, post something on YouTube also, so I can keep the videos growing on there. You can purchase this coffee from me. It's gonna be $20 a bag. If I have to ship it to you, I'll split the cost, so count on it being like $23. I really can't afford to eat the cost if too many people want it shipped, and I can ship it for you. I'll ship it maybe Saturday. If not, by Monday it'll be shipped out, but it'll still be pretty fresh. I'll make a video on maybe Sunday of me cupping the coffee, tasting it here at my house. And heck, if you're in the area, you can come over and taste the coffee with us. We'll do a cupping together in my kitchen. Yeah, let me know if you want to come up to Mi Casa. That'll be awesome. All right, so please buy this coffee from me. It'll be fun, so that way I can keep doing this once a month, and we'll bring in some extra special coffees, some interesting coffees, some unique coffees, different coffees you've never tasted. If you have any green coffee that you're someone that has small lots and you think I might like to roast it, you can also let me know. All right, that's all I got for now, and I'll see you on Saturday. Peace out.